Hello everyone, this is Drew with Drew Drives here at Grubbs Infiniti in Grapevine, Texas. Today, let's go for a quick drive in this 2024 Infiniti QX60 Autograph. This is the top of the line QX60. You have this beautiful diamond stitch pattern in this vehicle. It even says Autograph on the seat, which is really nice. Nice white contrast piping. You have massaging seats, which are on right now and feels great. Head-up display as well. Bose Performance Series sound system. 360-degree camera system. Sport, auto, and eco modes. You have adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, paddle shifters behind the steering wheel as well. This vehicle is finished in grand blue. These are the wheels you get on both the Sensory and the Autograph trims. Here's your middle row, very nice. You have captain's chairs. You also have cup holders in the center. You have heated seats as well. And you have sunshades, all-wheel drive. Here's your third row and cargo space back there. Very good looking car. I love the daytime running lights and the Infiniti logo in the grille right there. Middle row is pretty comfortable. Heated seats back here, as I said, and you also have AC controls plus a charging port, which is really nice. I wish more cars had that, where it's like a wall outlet. And there's your QX60 floor mats. Heated steering wheel, ventilated seats, and heated seats. And you have a wireless charging tray down there. You can see my phone in there. Pretty quick. Not sure why, but why does this feel faster than a Sensory I drove the other day? Wonder if it's the all-wheel drive or something, but yeah, it's nice. Ride height is comfortable, seats are comfortable, massage seats feel great. They're not too aggressive, they're just like nice and relaxing. And you also have the little camera mirror thing for better visibility, which is nice, high resolution. And you also have the home link garage buttons. You have a panoramic sunroof, which we should open all the way. No, not open, but open the shade at least. I'm not a big fan of auto start stop in any car, so I'd like to just personally turn that off. The screen has Apple CarPlay and Android Auto connectivity. You can just use it as a touchscreen, or you can use this little dial thing down here. If you hit the camera button, it'll show you a 360 view of the car. So the 2025 QX60 is going to be coming out soon, and that has a smaller engine. It has a 4-cylinder instead of the naturally aspirated 3.5 liter V6 in this vehicle, so I'm interested to see how that's going to drive. I'm going to get videos on the 2025 QX60 as soon as I can get access to them. But yeah, this car is really nice. As I said in my previous videos on the QX60, the 2024, 23, whichever ones, like the new generation, I really like it. I think Infiniti did a great job with it, and they're very popular. Many Infiniti customers are very loyal to the brand, and when this car came out, everyone wanted it. This autograph was so popular because this is worlds ahead of the previous QX60. This is way nicer. Like, they revamped the whole thing. Interior's better, exterior's better, transmission's better. It's like this has a very premium design. It looks like a premium luxury SUV. Like, the front end I really like. It's the headlights are really nice. The grille has a premium look to it. This car definitely is unique, has a unique style to it, which the previous one just did not have. So great job to Infiniti on that. And I'm also very excited to make videos on the QX80. That's going to be an awesome car. The 2025. Very excited for those. I drove the autograph and it is fantastic. So I'm happy with these new Infiniti SUVs. So for, like, you know, for what this car is, a luxury 3-row SUV, family hauler, it has more than enough pickup with this engine and everything. I personally love naturally aspirated V6s. So yeah, I really love this engine. I'm quite curious to see how that 4-cylinder is going to behave in this car, but we'll have to see. Yeah, it feels really nice in here, and the Sensory has a lot of the same stuff that this car has, but you can tell it's an autograph and not a Sensory right away by the dash. The Sensory will not have the diamond stitching pattern, and also the seats on this say autograph. So for this the 2024 QX60, the models are pure, luxe, Sensory, and autograph. So you get 4 trim levels. And I like how the steering wheel is pretty sporty. Like, it's kind of like a flat bottom, if you notice that. It's not like it's a pretty flat bottom steering wheel. Pretty cool. Like, it's not like a it's not like one where it's like really flat, where the steering wheel goes like this and it's just like a square at the bottom, but it's nice. It's a sporty wheel. And I like the material. It's beautiful leather with nice white stitching. I really like this car. I think it's a really nice family SUV. And I can see why many Infiniti customers were really happy with this and why they're so popular. It's a pretty nice vehicle. Brakes feel nice too. Though yeah, I really love the seats. They're just so nice. I love massage seats. Wonder why that auto start turned on again. Nice. When you hit that turn signal, it's a nice quiet turn signal chime. Pretty nice. Yeah, concluding thoughts are that if you want a QX60 2024 model or the 25, it's a nice SUV. I mean, if you're looking, if you want a QX60, it's really nice. You'll really like it, and it's a beautiful family SUV. Thank you for watching another video of Dhruv Drives. If you enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing. Check out the link to Grubb's family of dealerships in the description below. Many nice Infiniti products over here. So check out Grubb's Infiniti. Thanks again for watching.